Hi, Ms. Hernandez, and of course Marissa, just driving back from the open house. You can see my signs in the car here. Just wanting to let you know it was super successful. 23 active buyers passed through. That's of course not including kids, people who could really purchase the home. And we had called 150 people, door knocked about 40 doors, and of course posted it online, so our information about open houses syndicates to about 300 different websites that alert that the open house is happening, as well as Facebook posts and social media paid for advertising. All that to say, that's what brought us the traffic today. People of course were driving by and saw the signs, and we heard that, oh, I saw the link, I saw there was an open house, I wanted to come. So the results of all that activity is that we have 3 candidates for offers. One I know is Art Pettis. I think his mother-in-law is Mrs. Miller, is wanting to potentially make an offer. Also the Havdas, who of course are behind you to the south, are wanting to potentially make an offer. And then Ray Cisneros, on behalf of his daughter, wanting to make an offer. We have buyer feedback sheets that we will be getting over to you Monday, letting you know what people are saying. And what we really want is we want the offers. So we have multiple people to follow up with because they're wanting to know more about if and when the house sells. But the 3 active people are the ones we care about the most at this moment. So congratulations, super successful. Honestly, the most successful open house I've had since I've been doing real estate in the Valley. So we appreciate you all. Thank you for letting us serve you in this way, and we are hopeful and excited and trust that you'll see the results with offers showing up.